most people get this wrong, and that is why their sales process feels slow, outdated, and frustrating. They think sales is all about cold emails, long funnels, and waiting for leads to respond. But here's the truth no one tells you. Modern sales is no longer about chasing people. It is about starting conversations at the exact moment someone is interested. And that is exactly where Drift changes everything. In the next few minutes, you are going to understand how Drift is redefining the entire sales approach, using conversational AI, how it works behind the scenes, and why companies using it are closing deals faster than traditional methods. Even if you have never used sales software before, this will make complete sense by the end. Now, here's the simple idea you need to understand first. Traditional sales is reactive. You wait for someone to fill out a form, download an ebook, or send an email. Then you respond later. Sometimes minutes later. Sometimes hours later. Sometimes too late. But conversational AI flips that completely. Instead of waiting, it starts the conversation instantly. Let's imagine a real example. A visitor named Alex lands on a company website at 10 p.m. on Tuesday. In a traditional system, Alex might browse quietly, leave, and maybe never come back. But with Drift, something different happens. A chat window appears instantly. Not a generic pop-up, but a smart assistant that asks a relevant question like, "Hey, are you looking for pricing or product details?" Now here is where it gets interesting. That simple conversation can turn a cold visitor into a qualified lead in seconds. Drift is built around this exact idea. It replaces static forms with real-time conversations. And that changes everything about how sales teams work. But before we go deeper, let's break down what Drift actually is in simple terms. Drift is a conversational marketing and sales platform powered by AI. Its main goal is to connect website visitors with the right sales conversation instantly. Instead of forcing users to fill out forms and wait, it engages them in live chat or automated AI conversations. Now you might be thinking, isn't this just a chatbot? That is where most people get it wrong. Drift is not just a chatbot tool. It is a full conversational sales engine. And here is the difference. A basic chatbot follows scripts. It asks fixed questions and gives fixed answers. But Drift uses conversational AI that can adapt based on user behavior, intent, and timing. So if John visits a pricing page, Drift can instantly change the conversation to talk about plans and discounts. If someone visits a blog, it can shift toward educational guidance. If someone returns for the third time, it can prioritize sales scheduling. Now let's talk about how this actually redefines the sales approach. First, it eliminates delay. In traditional sales, speed matters, but response times are often slow. Studies show that the chances of converting a lead drop significantly after just a few minutes of delay. Drift solves this by responding instantly. Now here's the problem most companies face. They generate leads, but those leads go cold before a salesperson even contacts them. Drift fixes this by engaging visitors the moment intent is detected. Second, it improves lead qualification automatically. Instead of asking sales teams to manually filter leads, Drift uses AI conversations to qualify prospects in real time. For example, if Jake visits a software company's website, Drift might ask, "What is your team size?" Or, "Are you evaluating tools this month?" Based on answers, it immediately categorizes Jake as high intent, medium intent, or low intent. Now here is where it gets interesting. This means sales teams stop wasting time on unqualified leads and focus only on people who are ready to buy. That alone changes productivity dramatically. Third, it replaces static forms with dynamic conversations. Think about traditional lead forms. Name, email, company, message. Boring. It feels boring and transactional. Now compare that to a conversation that feels like this. "Hey, what are you trying to solve today?" This simple shift increases engagement because humans naturally respond better to conversations than forms. But here's the problem most businesses do not realize. Even if they have traffic, they lose potential customers because their website does not engage them at the right moment. Drift solves this by acting like a real-time sales assistant on your website. Now let's go deeper into how Drift actually works behind the scenes. There are 3 main layers. First is visitor identification. Drift tracks who is on your website, where they came from, and what pages they are viewing. Second is intent detection. It analyzes behavior patterns like repeat visits, pricing page views, or time spent on pages. Third is conversation automation. Based on that data, it triggers personalized conversations automatically. So instead of treating every visitor the same, Drift creates a tailored experience for each user. Now let's take a practical example. A company named TechFlow uses Drift on their website. Before Drift, their sales team relied on contact forms. They got leads, but conversion was slow. Many leads were unqualified. After implementing Drift, something changed. A visitor lands on their homepage. Within seconds, Drift opens a chat, asking a relevant question. The visitor responds. AI qualifies them instantly. If they are ready, Drift books a meeting directly on the sales team's calendar. No emails. No delays. No back and forth. Now, here is the key insight. Drift is not just improving communication. It is compressing the entire sales cycle. What used to take days now happens in minutes. Now let's talk about personalization, because this is another major shift. Traditional marketing sends the same message to everyone. Drift does not. It changes messages based on behavior. For example, if someone is a returning visitor, Drift might say, "Welcome back. Still exploring options? Nah." If someone comes from a paid ad, it might say, "Looking for a quick demo from the ad you clicked?" This level of personalization increases trust and engagement instantly. But here is something even more powerful. Drift integrates with CRMs and sales tools like Salesforce and HubSpot. That means every conversation is automatically saved, tracked, and handed over to sales teams with full context. So when a salesperson like Sarah follows up, she already knows what the customer wants. No repetition. No confusion. Now let's address a common question. Does this replace human sales teams? The answer is no. It enhances them. Drift handles the first layer of engagement. Humans handle deeper relationships and closing deals. Think of it like this. Drift opens the door. Salespeople walk through it. Now, let's look at another major benefit. Scalability. In traditional sales, you need more people to handle more leads. With conversational AI, one system can handle thousands of conversations at the same time. That means businesses can scale without increasing headcount at the same rate. But here's the challenge. If not configured properly, conversational AI can feel robotic or irrelevant. That is why message design and intent mapping are critical. The best performing Drift setups are not random. They are carefully designed around customer journeys. Now let's bring everything together. Drift redefines sales by shifting the entire model from passive lead capture to active conversation engagement. Instead of waiting for customers to come to you, you meet them in real time. Instead of generic forms, you use personalized conversations. Instead of slow follow-ups, you use instant qualification. Instead of manual filtering, you use AI-driven intent detection. And instead of fragmented communication, you build a seamless flow from visitor to customer. Here is the final takeaway. Sales is no longer about pushing messages. It is about starting the right conversation at the right time. Drift makes that possible at scale using conversational AI. If you understand this shift, you understand the future of sales. Now, let's quickly summarize. You learned how Drift works as a conversational AI platform, how it replaces traditional forms with real-time engagement, how it qualifies leads automatically, and how it accelerates the entire sales process. You also learned why personalization and timing are the real keys to modern conversion. If this breakdown helped you understand how conversational AI is changing sales, make sure to like the video, drop a comment on how you currently generate leads, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of powerful business tools and strategies.